Hello guys, I am back with my new working model, White Line Tracer. So to begin with, here are some important tips that you need to keep in your mind during the time of construction. Firstly, right LDR should control the left wheel and left LDR should control the right wheel. As demonstrated over here, the right LDR is connected to the left wheel which will help us to take left turn, and the left LDR is connected to the right wheel which will help us to take right turn. Connect the pins of the IC and as mentioned in the construction part, and be careful with the numbering of IC. Be careful with the negative and the positive terminal during the time of construction. Now the components required in it are IC 7805 regulator, IC ULN2003 amplifier, IC LN324N comparator, 2 LDR sensors, 2 super bright LEDs and 2 simple LED and 1 breadboard. 2 potentiometers of 10K, jumper wire, 2 9V battery with battery caps, 4 resistance of 100 ohm, 2 resistance of 10K and 1 PCB board. Now here is the construction of White Line Tracer. First of all, you need to take a breadboard and 2 servo motors, and you have to connect it in this way with the help of glue gun. As I have done over here, I have connected the 2 servo motors with the help of glue gun, and then you need to cut 4 equal strips from this PCB board to make the stand of it, or you can even use the ball bearing instead of it to make it stand this way so that it can move. Now the first thing you need to do is that connect these 2 sides and these 2 sides as well as these 2 sides and these 2 sides. Connect the first pin to the first pin over here and the second pin to second pin over here, as I have done it over here. This is the IC 7805 regulator. This is the input pin and this is the output pin, and the middle one is ground. Connect it the way I have done it over here. Now connect the positive terminal of the battery cap to the first pin over here. Connect the second pin to the red line which is negative over here. And connect the third pin to the black line which is positive over here. And finally connect the negative pin of the battery cap to the red line which is negative. Connect the comparator LM324N as I am doing it over here. Connect the fourth pin of the IC to the black line which is positive over here. Connect the 11th pin of the IC side to the red line which is positive over here. Now connect the 10K resistor in this way. Now connect the third pin of the IC to the resistance over here. Cut the PCB board and join the LED and the LDR. Join wires to the positive and negative terminal and join jumper wires to the LDRs. These 2 are the positive terminal of the LED and these 2 are the negative terminal of the LED. Connect a pin to the black wire which is positive to the pin over here. Now connect the wire of LDR to the wire of resistance and the wire over here. Connect the 5th pin of the IC to the pin over here. Connect the 10K resistance to the negative wire and the pin over here. Connect a pin to the black wire which is positive over here to the pin over here. Connect the pin of LDR to the pin of resistance and the pin over here. Connect the IC ULNQ2003A as I am doing it over here. Connect the 8th pin of the IC to the negative terminal over here. Connect the 7th pin of ULN2003 to 7th pin of LM324N. And connect the first pin of ULN2003 to the first pin of LM324N. Connect a 100 ohm resistance from the positive wire to the pin over here. Now connect the negative terminal of the LED to the 16th pin of ULN2003 and the positive terminal of LED to the resistance. Similarly, connect a 100 ohm resistance from the positive end to the pin over here. Now connect the negative pin of the LED to the 10th pin of IC and positive terminal to the resistance. Now the potentiometers of 10K with terminal 1, 2, 3, similarly 1, 2, 3. Now connect the first terminal and third terminal of both the potentiometers. Now connect the first terminal of potentiometer to the negative and the third terminal of potentiometer to the positive. Now connect the second pin of potentiometer to the sixth pin of IC and second pin of potentiometer to the second pin of IC. Now connect wires from servo motors. These are two wires from one motor and these are two wires from one motor. Now connect the wire of two motors in such the way that it moves in same direction. Now connecting the wires of two different motors. Now connect the positive terminal of the battery cap to this wire. Now connect the negative wire of the cap to the red wire which is negative. Now connect the wire of a servo motor to the 16th pin of IC. Another wire of servo motor to the 10th pin of IC. Now connect the positive terminal of both the LEDs and connect it to the black wire which is positive over here. Now connecting 100 ohm resistance to both the negative terminal of LED as I have done it over here, and join it to the red wire which is negative. Now here is the demo of it. First of all, we need to connect 9 volt battery to it. Please subscribe, like and share my videos and stay connected with Science King for more working models. And for any further query, you can contact me in my given below email. Thank you.